Putting your tent on your handlebars ruins your steering. Here is the physics-based rule for weight distribution that makes a fully loaded bike handle like an empty one. Traditional panniers act like parachutes, increasing drag by over 15 watts at cruising speeds. The modern soft bag system keeps mass central and streamlined, which is critical for maintaining traction on technical 2026 gravel geometry. You do not need 80 liters of space. A streamlined multi-day setup sits between 25 and 45 liters total, distributed across 5 specific mounting zones to maintain bike balance. The most common handling error is overloading the handlebar roll. Aerodynamic testing shows that front loads exceeding 3 kg significantly degrade steering response. Heavy items like water, electronics, and tools must live in the frame bag to keep the center of gravity low. For the 2026 market, Apidura remains the leader for ultralight racing materials, while Restrap offers the best durability per dollar ratio with their handmade U.K. line. However, rigid mounting systems have finally solved the sway issue. If you invest in one premium piece, make it the Ortlieb Seat-Pack QR. Its rigid locking mechanism completely eliminates the tail wag sway that plagues standard Velcro saddle bags when you stand up to pedal. Avoid the trap of buying maximum capacity bags immediately. It is always more efficient to spend money downsizing your sleeping bag than upsizing your luggage. Start with a budget $150 toe pack or Blackburn setup, and only upgrade once your base weight is under 10 kg. Prioritize compact camping gear before buying larger capacity bags.